Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I am your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last week, we learned about the different kind of fruits. Let's review the different kinds of fruit that we have learned last week. Apples, bananas, coconut, mangoes, oranges, papayas, strawberries. Okay, today we will learn how to answer this question. What fruit do you like? I give you an example of this. What fruit do you like? To answer this question, I will show the picture of a fruit. Then you'll answer, what fruit do you like? I like apple. So it's easy to answer. You just say, I like apple. Okay? So are you ready? Okay, let's start. What fruit do you like? Look at the picture. How do you answer? Okay, that's great. I like banana. How about this number 2? What fruit do you like? Look at this. You remember? Okay, that's great. I like coconut. I like coconut. Okay, let's repeat. If you can get. What fruit do you like? I like banana. Yes, very good. Okay, number 2. What fruit do you like? Look at the picture. I like coconut. Yeah, very good. Okay, now let's have more. What fruit do you like? Look at this. Yes, I like mango. Okay, number 4. What fruit do you like? Amazing. I like orange. I like orange. Okay, let's repeat. What fruit do you like? I like mango. What fruit do you like? I like orange. Okay, that's great. Okay, let's have more. What fruit do you like? Amazing. I like papaya. Okay. Number 6. What fruit do you like? Look at the picture. Okay. I like strawberry. I like strawberry. Okay, let's repeat. What fruit do you like? I like papaya. What fruit do you like? I like strawberry. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye-bye.